Hello! This is the settlement I drew by myself, and I'm going to explain now my idea. So basically, you enter through this area where we have the airlock, yeah, so we don't breathe Mars air. And then you enter and you have the drain shower where you clean from all bacteria and things that we don't want. And here we have the main equipment for us to change before going outside. Then, when we enter, we have the food growing area. This is one of the biggest challenges. Yes, here we're going to have all the vegetables and all the things that we want to grow so we can eat here. And then in this area, we have some control panels. Yes, this mainly is for checking if everything here is working okay, and some tools, yes. And if you come here, we have the lab, because I think that the first people living here, they will be scientists and astronauts, and I don't know, people that is prepared, not us. And then if you come here, you have a common area for people living here. You have different rooms. You got here 4 rooms. There are more than one person. Yes, here we have 3 or 2, and what? This is a common area for them. This is a toilet section with a special area where all the waste is going to be recycled. And here you have the kitchen and the storage area, so they don't run out of food. Now you can see that here says the air handler. This is important. So this camera here brings air to the different areas, and outside we have solar panels that is going to provide energy to my first settlement here in Mars. Okay, well, this is basically my idea. I think life in other planets is possible. I believe that in the future we will go to another planet. As I see it, we will live like a Star Wars film in the future, maybe, without the fightings, but yes, with the spaceships and traveling to other planets and meeting other cultures. I think that would be fun. Hello. Now it's your turn to prepare your oral presentation. Yes, you have to draw an idea like I did, and remember that then you will have to explain it to me. When I call you to have this conversation, remember to use phrases like, for example, to say what we have here, use there is and there are. For example, there is a common area here. There are 4 rooms, okay? Also, you can use a lot of prepositions. Next to the toilet, in front of the kitchen, okay? So there you can use all of the prepositions to say on, in, under, next to. Also, remember to use the vocabulary, okay? We have a lot of vocabulary like spaceship, we have, most important of all, don't forget to use the future. Yes, we will, there is going to be, okay? And last but not least, I want to listen to your opinion too, okay? I think that in the future, I believe, in my opinion, in my personal opinion, okay? I will leave you a video there with other ways to say I think, so you don't say I think this, I think that. Always I think. You can say it in other ways. For example, I believe, as I see it, from my point of view, okay? I will leave a link there for you to watch. And if you have any questions about this presentation, that it has to be very similar to mine, it's going to be a conversation between you and me so that you explain what I have just did to you. And you can write me there in Google Hangouts, yes, today, tomorrow, and on Wednesday before the presentation day. Okay? Bye bye.